How to add Wix website to Bing. So the first thing that we need to do is go to Google, and here we will search for Bing Webmaster Tools. Just Google search for this, open up the first website, and it might ask you to log in with your Microsoft or Google account. After you have logged in, it's going to show us this, Microsoft Bing, add your site manually. So we will need to enter our website URL here. How we can get it? We can go to our site here and copy this. I just have the website editor open, so I'll hover over publish, view site, and here I will just copy the URL. So this is my URL for my website. I'm going to right click, copy, and I'm going to go back into the Bing Webmaster Tools and I'll paste my website. And I'll click on add. Now once we have it added, it's going to show us this HTML meta tag. So just click on HTML meta tag, and we want to copy this. So copy this meta tag, go back into Wix. Here we'll use the search bar to search for SEO, and we want to open up the first link. So SEO, scroll down until you see site verification. Go to site verification and you will find Bing here. So Bing Webmaster Tools. Click on it, and here's where we paste the meta tag which we have copied. And then if we click on save here, it's going to save the meta tag, and then we will need to go back into Bing Webmaster Tools. And after we have saved it on Wix, we'll just click on verify, and this is going to add Wix to Bing, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.